Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Nasijis TV. So today I'll be showing you how to split your Android screen. That's to split it into two. This means that you'll be doing two tasks or managing two applications at the same time on your Android phone. So let me show you how it goes. Now the first step is go to your setting. Okay, on this splitting of screen, it's true that it's not available for every Android phone. I'm using Android phone. It's true that it's not available for every Android phone. I'm using Motorola One 5G UWS for this, so the feature is available on my phone. So, and I'm going to show you how to enable it. So on your settings here, just go to accessibility. So go to accessibility and you can see swipe to screen here, or on your settings you can just go to your search bar and search for split. So you can see swipe to split here, just click on it and this is it. So just on use swipe to split, just enable the button and this is it. So let's test it. Just swipe your screen and as you can see, this is it. So you can also add another application here, for example Chrome. So as you can see, this is it. You can be managing two applications at the same time. So guys, this is it. Can now be managing two applications at the same time. So this is how to use swipe to split on your Android phone. Okay guys, see you later. Bye.